The target market and forecasts local tourists. The explanation will be used to encourage local tourists to make trips to different parts of the country and make information about the different types of experience available in the country through different festivals available. Locals are the biggest group of visitors, with over 60% of the visitors top the country being located based and these explanations will be used to expand on that number by making the information about the different parts of the country they can visit available to them. Locals are an important group of tourists because they are not included in travel quotas to have few restrictions traveling through the country. Locals also have knowledge of the country and therefore will travel through the country without needing guidance. Neighbors travel from neighboring countries from the second biggest number of visitors to the country. They also do not have travel quotas and under few restrictions when moving through the country. They also understand and appreciate the different country formula of the country and therefore they will easily manageable. Increasing the number of these visitors will not adversely affect the type of cultural and environmental conservation that the government will have to commit. Foreign travelers, although concluding few visitors to the countries from an important part of the country's income from tourism. The idea behind the explanation will be expose them to the concept of Shangri-La and the new elements to the country's tourists and travel. The explanation will also look to attraction tourists who have visited the country provincial ocean back. Most of the tourists who visit the country do not make their way back, with over 90% reporting that they did not make a trip back to the country. Foreign tourists will be used to presented different activities to them and allow them to investigate some of their worries of visiting the countries. Traveling hobby are an important part of the travel community because they form a big part of repeat travelers, but also from a big part of attitudes of content creators. They are also from an important of the online community of travelers who influences the overall perception of the destination as they offer reviews. Eco-tourism. The explanation through the country's landscapes and protected areas will be used to promote the country's importance as biodiversity and conservation appropriation. Therefore, other people interested in the reviews of conservation and living morality will be targeted. They will get to experience the central and environmentally conservation of the country.